Okay, so now we're going to talk about Herons Formula. All right, Herons Formula is right here. This is a nice little formula because you don't need to know any of the angles. It works perfectly as long as you have all three sides of the triangle. And the triangle doesn't have to be a right triangle. It doesn't have to have 90 degrees in it. So as you can see here, we have a triangle with lengths 9, 13, and 7. So like the formula says right here, that we're going to need to call each side A, B, C. And it doesn't matter. Okay, so I'll just call this side A, this side B, and this side C. Okay. Alright, so I have my A, B, and C. Now, what I'm going to need to find is the value for S. That is right here. Okay, so I need to use that formula right there to find the value for S. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, that means S is going to be equal to 1/2 times A plus B plus C. Okay, where A, B, and C are the values that I picked. Okay, so 1/2 times A, which is 13, plus B, which is 9, plus C, which is 7. Okay, I got those values. Now, that means S is going to be equal to 1/2 times, let's see, 9 and 13 will give you 22, and another 7 gives you 29, so that's 29. Half of 29 is going to be 14 and a half. So that's going to be 14.5, right? And now we're in pretty good shape, okay, because I got my S value. So now I'm going to plug it into the other formula. The other formula is this one right here. So we're going to use this formula right there at the end of the lightsaber, okay? So we have the S. We're going to plug those in, and we'll be good to go. All right, so let me move this down a little bit, give myself some room. Oops, sorry, a little bit shaky there, but I'll show you how we're going to do that. Okay, so the formula says that we want to have, let me go to a different color. We'll go to red here. Okay, so area, I'll get out of here. All right, so area is going to be equal to the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. A little sloppy, sorry. Trying to do this on a different program today. Alright, so what does that mean? Just fill in the dots here, okay? So that means it's going to be the square root, I'm going to make that nice and big, okay, of 14.5 times 14.5 minus 13 times 14.5. Yep, we gotta zoom out a little bit. Let me zoom out a little bit, give myself a little bit more room. Okay. Okay. There we go. There's a little more room. We'll finish that up. Okay. 14.5 minus, let's see, I did A. And now I'm doing B, so minus 9. Oh, it's supposed to be a 9, sorry. And then times C, which is going to be 14.5. Sorry for the sloppy writing. I'm trying to figure out how to do this with the iPad. It's not as easy as the other way. Okay, so that's your formula. As you can see, I punched that all right into the calculator, which is kind of nice. So I'll come over here and I'll zoom and I'll show. Oops. Ooh, okay, I guess I can't do that. Okay. Well, that's good to know. So if you type those values in, you're going to get that right there. You can kind of see it. Here, I'll get my right here. So 29.95, okay? Or we could just say it's about 30 because I think it wants you to round to the nearest tenth. So we'll say that the area is about 30 feet squared, okay? All right, good. So what does that mean? That means you're done. There's nothing else to it. That's your final answer right there, okay? So you just type that in. So what you need to do, all right, in a nutshell, is figure out what A, B, and C are. Plug it into the bottom formula to solve for S. So S equals a half times A plus B plus C. And then work that out. I got that 14.5. Take that 14.5, drop it in the big formula for S using A, B, and C. Work it out in your calculator, and bam, you got the area, and you're done. So piece of cake. Okay, it shouldn't take you too long. Okay.